What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And this slime here is my second ever slime video. So this is Tar Monster, inspired by the movie Scooby-Doo for Halloween purposes. And it is a black cherry scented butter slime made with Model Magic. It is super creamy and super smooth, and it smells delicious. And make sure to go snatch it because it will only be available till Thanksgiving Day, and then it will be discontinued from my shop forever. So make sure to go check it out. And also, I have more videos coming out soon.